Hey guys, what's up? We're the Open Box Brothers, and today we are back with another MunchPak. Let's get right into it.
Today's MunchPak is from France, Australia, Thailand, and more.
There is Little Koalas March.
Mango flavor. Discover a new flavor of adorable koala cookies from Thailand. These crunchy biscuits are now packed with a tasty mango cream to adore more. From Thailand. Mango flavored crackers. I don't think I've ever heard of that.
Oh, they smell. There you go. I don't know. They got little bears on it. It's kind of like strong.
They got printed bear.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
It has cream in it.
Mango cream on the inside. And like a animal cracker on the outside. It's good.
I think it would be better if it wasn't mango. Like maybe if it was strawberry or something. Because I'm not a big fan of mango.
Next is real hand-cooked strong cheese and onion flavored potato chips.
Experience the hand-cooked different. Each ultra crunchy crisp is full of savory onion and mild cheese flavor that builds intensity as you snack. United Kingdom.
Does not look like he's from the United Kingdom. It looks Russian. I don't know. Basically sour cream and onion chips. I hate sour cream and onion chips so much.
I like sour cream and onion, but I hope it's like...
Oh, this tastes like, or it smells like real onion.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Take those. Good aftertaste, bad beginning taste. You get that sour cream in the end. Good. They taste like normal sour cream and onion chips, honestly. Yeah, I think the sour cream is a lot stronger and
they're extra crunchy.
Yeah, they do taste real because they're hand cooked, real hand cooked. Next snack here is
Strawberry candy.
the real deal and fruity candy from an Aussie-born brand for over 90 years. Indulge in real strawberry flavor and a soft and chewy licorice twist. Yeah, from Australia.
You know what these kind of look like? They're like Twizzlers, but like tiny. They're kind of like Twizzlers, but they're
mini
tiny.
Twizzlers. They make mini Twizzlers. Nothing on the inside. Tastes like Twizzlers.
They're like swirled around.
Twizzlers. We got another snack here. Clip pizza sticks.
Ochre chip pizza sticks. Savory tomato and herb flavor in a convenient snack stick. Think pizza rolls in cracker form, and you compare them with your favorite pizza dip for a next level treat. Can you try and guess which one it's from? It's not from France, Australia, or Thailand.
What?
It's from Turkey.
Why would I guess that? They're good. I don't like pizza rolls, but these are good.
They don't really taste like anything. Tastes like crackers.
Tastes like a pizza.
Tastes like crackers.
It tastes like pizza combos. Last snack of the day. We've got a French crepe.
Crepe.
Crepe. It's a French crepe.
Not a crepe.
Jacquette. I know where this is from. We got a little French.
Crepe.
We got a
Craving
French
for
crepe.
this delicious wrapped crepe filled with chocolate cream. It's just as tasty as straight out of the wrapper as it is warm in the microwave. Can you guess where it is?
Yeah, France. Tastes like a French pastry. That's super good. That's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We had fun. Finally, every snack was good. But now it's time to do our favorites, least favorites, and most weirdest. Favorite. Gonna have to go with those Twizzler bites things. Those were so good. It's Daryl Lay or whatever. Least favorite, I'm gonna have to go with the sour cream and onion chips. I don't like sour cream and onion chips. So. Weirdest, it's probably gonna have to be the mango animal cracker. I think that was. Thank you, editor. Mango animal cracker.
My favorite, sour cream and onion chips. My least favorite, mango things. Weirdest, pizza sticks.
I completely forgot about that little chocolate thing, so like I didn't mention that, but that was definitely a good one. Probably both of our favorites. Crepe, not crepe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, slap the like button, slap the bell, comment, do whatever you need to do. Maybe you're watching this video on the toilet. Hit that red subscribe button. Subscribe with the bell notification so you know when our next video comes out. We'll see you guys next time on the Open Box Brothers.
Bye-bye.